Welcome straight down to the tech desk today. Do subscribe if you're new around here because we've got loads of really cool short videos for accessories for the Xbox. This one is going to be for the Xbox Series X. There's also going to be ones for PlayStation and Switch as well, so do subscribe. It's got loads of really cool stuff coming up. So this is it. This is one of the easiest, probably most effective mods that you can do for your Xbox. You don't have to undo any screws. It's literally sticking this on, and I think it's superb, and it is super effective. Okay, so this kit is from eXtremeRate. I'll leave links down below where you can get hold of this, and I'm just going to show you, because I'm going to attach it now for the first time, just to show you how easy it is. So in the pack, you get your LED strip, you get a remote, and you get a wet wipe, and all you need is your Series X, and you're going to lay it down here like this, because you're going to have it. I'm going to plug this in just so I know I can kind of like get my bearings right. So you're going to plug that in. So you are going to lose a USB slot out of the back of here, okay? So that's probably enough, or you're going to have to plug it in. But having said that, with no screwing like that, it's a small price to pay. And then with this, you're going to stick it onto the circular bit on the bottom of the Xbox and start there like that, just so this has got enough room, and we're going to work it all the way around. First of all, we're just going to get a wet wipe and just give it a bit of a clean, just so it's nice and clean all the way around. Okay, so just give it a nice bit of a clean, just in case it's dusty. I don't know how long you've had your Xbox for. I don't want it collecting dust. Okay, all the way around there, just give it a nice bit of a clean. Then what you're going to do is you're going to peel the sticky bit off the back of the LEDs. Be very careful with this. Get it all off. Okay. And then, as we said, gonna place it onto there, and these LEDs will fit perfectly on here. And then just make your way around the Xbox. Every so often we're going to be turning it over. Need to take the USB out for this bit, so we're going to spin it over again. Last time. Perfect fit. Fits around the Xbox perfectly. Okay. Then just plug it in to the USB at the back there. Then we're done. What we're going to do now is going to get the power cable for the Xbox. Plug it in. So we've got USB on here, and then we've got these lighting up. And there's all different modes for it. So I've knocked the lights down a little bit just so we can see this a bit better. There are 29 different lighting modes for this. I'm not going to talk you through all of them, but I will talk you through the remote, all the buttons, what they do, and then I'll go away, we'll knock the lights down, and we'll just have a couple of minutes demonstration of all the different lighting modes. Okay, so on the remote here, the bottom one, that is your power. So you press that and it just turns it on and off. Excellent. This one here above here, this just auto plays all of the 29 modes. So if you just wanted to rattle through all 29, you just whack that one. Then we have an up and a down. This changes the effect. So if you wanted to choose your favorite effect, you just press that one and it will flick through all of the different 29 effects. And then this plus and minus is brightness. So knocking the brightness down and then turning the brightness up. Okay, so that's the remote done. What we're going to do now is just going to go away, going to go into the B-roll desk, and I'm just going to run you through a few of the functions.